When machinery and equipment are down, it costs money. That's why maintenance and cleaning must always go very fast. And with Layher, it's possible. Here's an example from South Africa in which a 94-meter column was overhauled in 1/3 of the usual time. Layher scaffolding systems, fast and reliable. For the South African scaffolding construction company, which had never used Layher material before, the job was a huge success. Since it had already done similar projects for the same customer, but with a different scaffolding system, it's possible to make a direct comparison. The previous conventional method had taken 12 weeks for assembly. With the Layher system, the scaffolding was up in less than half the time. In only 5 weeks, the 94-meter high column was ready for maintenance work. And not only that, work on the Layher scaffolding was much more efficient. In only 16 weeks, instead of the estimated 52 weeks, the plant was ready to go back into operation. Downtime was reduced by almost 70%. The customer was delighted by the smooth workflow and the enormous speed. 3 factors accounted for this success: optimized planning, the right material, and professional implementation. The project was planned with Layher Sim. The structure to be scaffolded was scanned to create a 3D model. This digital twin made the project transparent, allowing it to be planned down to the last detail and simulated. The result was an optimized scaffolding structure. Simulation included a collision check and all the renovation work, plus organization of the logistics, with material lists and optimized transport. The second success factor was the Layher material, which was put together to create an ideal scaffolding solution. This example combined Allround Scaffolding Lightweight, Allround Shoring TG60, Aluminium Flexbeam, Allround FW system, and an integrated stair solution. The enormous flexibility of the Layher components made for a much more effective structure. 46 work platforms instead of the previous 8 were now available in a very short time. This in itself significantly shortened the time estimated for maintenance. Laborious modifications during the work were avoided. Convenient access simplified workers' movements, ensured greater safety when ascending and descending, and facilitated the transport of material. The third success factor was professional assembly. A well-planned workflow made the work safer and faster. And thanks to Layher Lightweight, there was a lot less lifting to do. The scaffolding constructors had a lower workload and were more productive. More speed and more safety. This result was not a matter of chance. It can be repeated at any time. To sum it up, Layher scaffolding systems make it possible to implement industrial projects faster and more efficiently without neglecting safety. Speed and safety. That's what Layher stands for. More possibilities.